In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to upload files to Dropbox using drag and drop. Dropbox makes it very easy to upload files from your computer, and one of the simplest methods is just dragging a file directly into your Dropbox folder in the browser. This is a quick option if you want to move something into your account without using an upload button. To begin, open Dropbox in your web browser. Once the site loads, sign into your account if you are not already logged in. Make sure you are fully inside your Dropbox dashboard before moving on, so you can clearly see your files and folders. Next, go to the File area. On the left side or main navigation area, click All Files. This will open the main section where your Dropbox content is stored. From there, open the specific folder where you want the file to be uploaded. This part is important because wherever you are currently opened in Dropbox is where the file will be placed. If you want to keep things organized, take a moment to confirm that you are in the correct folder before you upload. Now, open the location on your computer where the file is saved. If you are using Windows, open File Explorer. If you are using a Mac, open Finder. Browse until you find the file you want to upload. When you see it, click and hold the file with your mouse or trackpad. Then drag it over to the Dropbox browser window. Keep holding the file as you move it into the open folder area in Dropbox, and then release your mouse to drop it. As soon as you let go, Dropbox will begin uploading the file. You should see a progress bar or upload indicator appear on the screen. This lets you know that the transfer is in progress. The upload time may vary depending on the size of the file and the speed of your internet connection, so give it a moment if it does not finish instantly. Wait until the upload is completely finished. Once the progress bar disappears or shows that the upload is complete, your file should now be available in that Dropbox folder. At that point, you can open it, move it later if needed, or share it from Dropbox. That's all it takes to upload files to Dropbox using drag and drop. It's a simple method, fast to learn, and especially useful when you want to upload files without going through extra menus.